applied for the STEM grant because the first time I mentioned the idea of the bike lab and had a conversation with the teacher, Eric Paulson, it was evident from the expression on his face that he was incredibly passionate about this.
Well, we wanted to start what we call the bike lab here at Cotter High School, and an inspiration for me was to see that we already had a large fleet of bikes that we had purchased for our Phy Ed department. And so those bikes needed maintenance and repair, and I saw a place where students could have an opportunity to learn how to do that. And so we believe in community service, and so we are trying to find bikes that the students can fix up, that we can give back to a charity service so that they can place it with families whom are in need.
We had a teacher who had the skills and knowledge and content to do it, and the passion, and I think anytime students can be in that environment, they learn so much more. They totally buy in, they want to be a part of the experience.
The students do work on their own projects, but primarily we're trying to provide safe and working bikes for other people. I think the most important thing that I see them working on is tenacity and persistence and trying to figure things out without there being a manual or really any help. Once they're done with our program, they should have enough basic skills with a recommendation to get a job at a bike shop. I hope to see these students in bike shops all around the world. I really like watching students experience failure. And I know that may sound a little strange, but I think it's the best teacher. And with a bike, it really can't blow up or hurt them too badly, so it's a good place to sort of play around and see what works and what doesn't. And that type of thinking, that practice, can be used in any classroom situation. Just knowing that you can figure it out, accepting failure along the way, and going for it, seeing what you can do.